We're here at Club Wyndham in Panama City Beach, Florida, and we're staying in a studio unit. So if you're planning a trip here in the near future, maybe you're considering booking one of these, you're gonna wanna stick around. We're gonna take a tour of ours right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. We're right now kind of out in front of our unit, or one of two units here at Club Wyndham, Panama City Beach. Just want to kind of show you we're on the 8th floor. We can see across here to where the main check-in lobby and registration is, and also the sky bridge down there. So if you want more of a resort tour, you're going to want to head over here and check out that video where I provide a full resort tour of this property. We're going to head inside here and take a look at our unit, the studio unit here at Panama City Beach, Club Wyndham. And when we come in here, it's a bit of an echo, or quite a bit of an echo. Hopefully you can actually hear it pretty well. We actually have two units. Well, we don't have two units. There's two doors to two different units. I believe this one over here is a 2-bedroom, and our studio is right here. But so I believe this then makes up a 3-bedroom lock-off type unit. But we're in 843, so let's head in and take a look. If you love traveling and making the most of your timeshare, you're going to want to be sure to join the free destination timeshare community over on SKOOL. It's the perfect place for like-minded owners who want to get the most out of what they own. Connect with an active community of members from around the world, people just like you. It's a place to hang out, learn, share experiences, and get helpful tips from other owners. Also over there, you're going to find a classroom with resources, courses, knowledge bases, plus the option to sign up for expert consultation. You can also check out the members map and weekly events on the community calendar. And best of all, there's no ads and no algorithms pushing you content like you see on all those other social media platforms. Just a great community of timeshare enthusiasts, exactly what social media was meant to be. It doesn't cost you anything to join, so scan the QR code right here on the screen or use the link in the description below, and we'll see you inside the best timeshare community over on SKOOL. All right, so when we first step into our room here at Club Wyndham in Panama City Beach, we do have kind of the bedroom and kitchen and dining area down there, but we'll first kind of just take a look here into the bathroom. We do have just a pretty good sized bathroom, but it does just have a tub with a shower, and it kind of looks like this bathtub has seen better days. It looks like it's a little dated, as does the rest of the room as we check it out. Yeah, the bathroom could use a refresh, some old cabinets, old countertop. This mirror looks like it had some water and moisture there, and it's kind of oxidized. So not really that great of a bathroom, but you know, it'll work for the few days that we're here. Now we'll make our way kind of down this hallway here. We have some nice kind of canvases on the wall. We do have our air conditioner controls. And then here, just a small closet. Again, it's got some wire racks. Those have seen better days as well. There is an iron and ironing board on the other side, but I'm noticing no in-room laundry here, so that's a big drawback. Might actually be a bit of a problem for us. So yeah, no laundry here it looks like. Now kind of coming into the bedroom area. It is a pretty good size, nice big area here. You have a king-size bed, a couple of nightstands, some lamps on either side with some exposed USB and power. They do have pool towels here, though only 2 of them. It's like you kind of need more pool towels than just 2 for what could sleep 2 people. There is a ceiling fan up here as well, so that's nice there. And we do have the patio out there that we'll take a look at here in just a moment. But here we have a good sized kitchen area, fully equipped. You do have a microwave, an oven, kind of an apartment style refrigerator, dining room table for 2. But in here, you do have your coffee supplies, coffee maker, knife block over there. And then in here, we have toaster and blender. And there's nothing up here. And up here, just a couple of serving containers or baking dishes, maybe even 2, and a measuring cup. Nothing up in that one there. Down underneath the countertop here, under the sink, we do have kind of a dish rack and some kitchen supplies. And then under here, we have some cooking utensils, pots and pans, as well as our silverware. Kind of thought it was odd that the silverware would kind of be in a cupboard here. There are a couple of non-stick skillets. And then in here, we do have kind of some cooking utensils. There's a pizza wheel, there's a vegetable peeler, there's an ice cream scoop, a can opener, and a corkscrew. Then under here, just a few more cooking utensils. And the same down there. They kind of like to spread them out. Now, I'm not actually going to open underneath the oven here, kind of in that bread warmer, but there is a baking sheet as well as a pizza pan. So yeah, that was kind of the kitchen area. I didn't point out here, but there are a couple of chairs And we also have kind of a chest of drawers there with a television up on the wall. This chest of drawers, the drawers will not stay closed. I push one closed, another one kind of pops out, push it closed, a different one pops out. So not sure what is up with that. It kind of just needs essentially new furniture here, I guess. The entire room is kind of in, not the greatest condition. It's not too bad, but it's not like the room we stayed in at Emerald Grand, kind of just up the beach, about an hour from where we're at now in Panama City. It's up in Destin. It was actually a really, really nice unit. If you want to see the studio there, well, you can check out a link right up here, or I'll also have one down in the description box below. But now that we've seen inside the unit, let's head out here. We'll take a look at the patio. Yeah, out here we have a nice little patio. It looks like a couple of patio chairs with a small table. Then down here we have a lounge chair with another small table. No ceiling fan or anything like that, but we do have, it looks like, some electrical down here. Maybe an electrical outlet there, so if you want to come out here and work on the patio, you can do that. But then here we have our views out here to the Gulf. Really, really nice views from these rooms here at Club Wyndham in Panama City. Beautiful beach out there. A little bit of wave action right now because it's actually pretty windy today. A lot of wind here. Not too many people out on the beach because the temperatures are kind of cool, but let's take a look down here to the pool area and see what that looks like, because we have a pretty good view of the pool down below. So yeah, there's the pool. Not too busy right at the moment. There are a few people down there, but nice pool here. And of course, we'll have a full resort tour of this property. If you want to check that out, well, you can click here on that coming up next. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It definitely does help with these videos. Thanks for watching. And remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.